viewers, this is Jogdan Geography. Today we will learn about the Bail Pola. Why is this festival celebrated in Maharashtra? What are the reasons? What are the rituals of Bail Pola? Particularly, this festival is celebrated on the 11th day of Bhadrapad month according to the Hindu calendar. What is its significance? Means on this day the oxen are decorated with different colors and vermilion, and then rituals are that these decorated bullocks or oxen, they are taken out in the village and procession is held along with dance and music. Special types of food are prepared on this day, like the chapati, bhakri, chutney, and the food is offered to God. Its significance is that the bond between animals and human beings. That's why as a very sacred, and so they are worshipped. Let this entire culture of Maharashtra know the entire India and subsequently the entire world, because this is a very rich and significant culture that shows the bond between animals and human beings. काळ्या मातीत मातीत ती पण चालते, ती पण चालते, वीज नाचते थय थय, वीज नाचते थय थय, ढग ढोल वाजविते, ढग ढोल वाजविते, वीज नाचते थय थय, काळ्या मातीत मातीत ती पण चालते. Means this culture we must teach our children also, because from Maharashtra now this Pola festival has now only limited to the rural area. Generally in cities like Mumbai, Aurangabad, Thane, Nanded, Parbhani, Latur, this celebration is now gradually vanishing. So this dying culture of Maharashtra, we have to revive it. We have to restore our rich past cultural and teach our children to worship the sacred animals like oxen. So I request these children, please come here. Now, means he is a small boy from Mumbai, so I will ask him. I have already informed him lot of information about the Pola. So, what is your name?
Anshul.
Anshul. Now, where is Pola festival celebrated?
The
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Pola is celebrated in Maharashtra.
Okay, please tell me you.
Oxen are herbivorous animals.
So means gradually they are trying to learn the rich culture of Maharashtra. Means according to this small guy Anshul, means Pola is celebrated in Maharashtra. But remember, we have to sustain this culture for the upcoming generation also. And this guy has told me that it is oxen are herbivorous animal. Thank you. So let's wish happy Pola. Happy Pola.
Happy Pola.
Happy Bail Pola.
Happy Bail Pola.
Thank you. Finally, it is our duty to enlighten our children about the Bail Pola, and we must also pass on this rich, beautiful celebration of Bail Pola. This custom must be passed to the upcoming generation also, and it should not be limited to the rural area or in villages. In city also, children must know about the Bail Pola. That's why I have posted this video about the Bail Pola. I wish you all a very happy Bail Pola.